Well, I'm half tempted to, but I can see their truck just fine. That's my beacon right there. Whatever he does, I do. He just got back over, and I'm getting back over. Yeah, I can see him, and that's good enough. But it's pretty fucked up. Don't want to get it where I can't see. This crank belongs to me. Oh. Go again. Okay, it's okay. Watch the truck. One do it. When he does, I do. He's got a higher view. You can see over the second dimension. Come on, man. Slow down. You need to slow down. Oh, shit. Hey. Kind of intense.
I think we're about done.
That's okay with me. That was intense. Yeah, see, it's a question as to whether you should ever do that. Now it's fine.